My name is Tina Melo, and I am the founder of the Melo Project Runway for the Youth. By young designers. They range from 5 and up, and I would like for you to hear yourself from their own words.
Hi, I'm Kai. I'm here to interview Talia.
Hi, I'm Talia Coppola from the Melo Project Runway, and today I'm going to be introducing everybody to my piece, concept boards and stuff like that, and one of them is cosplay, and I got inspired by the Joker, and I already made one, so this is one of my cosplay pieces. Crazy to make. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this piece, and hopefully I inspire you guys to make one as well.